Hello YouTubers, we're back with the third and final part of the PTO clutch repair on our 434. As you can see, I've got it going again. And here are the new clutch plates ready for installation. As is often the case with aftermarket parts, PTO clutch plate isn't quite the right size, so we need to make a few adjustments there, but that's pretty simple. Back under the press for the reassembly of the clutch pack. We're ready now to put the clutch pack back in the tractor, and we're using this homemade alignment tool. It's a pretty simple thing to make, as you can see here. Experience teaches me it's always best to make a sketch, then you don't make so many mistakes. We'll start by facing off the bar and zeroing the digital readout. Then we'll machine down the OD to match the spigot bearing, the transmission clutch and the PTO clutch. And we'll do all that just by reference to the readout, so no need to take any measurements if you've got a readout on your lathe. After torquing the clutch assembly onto the flywheel, you need to set the height of the toggles so that the thrust race aligns properly. For that you'll need this special International Harvester service tool. Whilst I've got the tractor in half, I'll just check the ring gear. They quite often wear at the point where the tractor always stops and the starter motor always engages. It's possible to remove the gear and rotate it slightly if necessary. It's always good to put a sparing amount of high melting point grease on the splines where the clutch plates engage with the gearbox. When you push the two halves of the tractor back together, make sure to have the PTO and the gearbox in gear. That way it's easy to tell when you've got the splines correctly aligned. That's the difficult bit done and all tightened back together, so we'll have a tidy up now and then we'll get everything else bolted back around the tractor. I'll finish off installing these hydraulic pipes and get some oil in the hydraulic tank, and then it's time for a maiden voyage. Now's the time we work out all the things we've forgotten, and the first thing is the engine glow plugs. Looks like we're all okay, so we'll get the bonnet back on and then we'll get it outside and do a proper test on the PTO clutch. And it works, we're back mowing grass again. I hope you've enjoyed this series of 3 videos. If you have, why not give us a like and perhaps leave a comment. I'd like to just say thank you to the International Harvester Club of Great Britain for providing the technical information that made it much easier to complete this job. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon with another video.